In this video, we will explore the IFERROR and IFNA functions in Excel. These functions are essential for managing errors in your spreadsheets, allowing you to transform messy data into clean, professional reports. Here are some common Excel errors you might encounter, which can lead to messy spreadsheets. First, we have #n/a, which means value not available or lookup failed. Then there's #div/0, indicating a division by zero error. Next, we have #value, which shows that there is a wrong data type in formula. We also have #ref, which occurs when there is an invalid cell reference. #name appears when there is an unrecognized function name, and lastly #inum signifies an invalid numeric value. Let's meet IFERROR, your error handling superhero. The syntax for the IFERROR function is as follows: IFERROR value_if_error. This function catches any error and replaces it with your custom message or value. Let's see IFERROR in action with some real-world examples. First, we will see division protection. The formula is IFERROR A1/B1 cannot divide. This handles #div/0 errors and replaces it with the text cannot divide. Next, let's look at VLOOKUP safety. The formula is IFERROR VLOOKUP A1 data to 0 not found. This handles #n/a errors, displaying not found instead. Now let's meet IFNA, the precision specialist. The syntax for the IFNA function is IFNA value_if_na. IFNA specifically targets #n/a errors, leaving other errors untouched. Let's explore IFNA in action. First, we will look at lookup safety. The formula is IFNA lookup A1 names scores no match. This handles #n/a errors, displaying no match instead. Next, we will look at index match. The formula is IFNA index data match A1 list 0 missing. This handles #n/a errors and shows missing when there is no match. Let's compare IFERROR and IFNA to help you choose the right tool for the job. IFERROR catches all errors, providing broad protection, and is a general-purpose solution. On the other hand, IFNA catches only #n/a errors, offering targeted precision, and is a lookup-specific solution. Here are some best practices for professional error handling. Use IFNA for lookups when dealing with VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or index/match functions, like this IFNA VLOOKUP, not found. Use IFERROR for math, for calculations that might produce various error types, like this IFERROR A1/B1 0. Congratulations, you are now a master of error handling. Here's a quick recap. IFERROR catches all errors, which is perfect for calculations. IFNA targets #n/a only, making it ideal for lookups. With these tools, you can transform messy spreadsheets into professional reports. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.